Hey guys, Robbie at the Armories here with the new Q Fix in 8.6 Blackout. Hey guys, Robbie at the Armories here with the new Q Fix in 8.6 Blackout. Super cool rifle. This is a SBR short barrel rifle because it's only got a 12-inch barrel. It does have their patented folding stock system, which is a really nice stock system. It's a little bit difficult to fold at times, but this thing folds up into a less than 20-inch package. So it's super small, super compact. We went with a Swarovski 4-12 Z3 on it. The 8.6 Blackout round is basically 338 Lapua crammed into a 30 caliber or a 6.5 Creedmoor casing that's neck down. 300 grain subsonic bullets. We were shooting at about 60 yards today. And then we did the 210 grain supersonic stuff from Gorilla Ammunition. It's subsonic, has nearly no recoil. I'd compare it to that of probably a 223 or 5.56 out of your AR-15, maybe a little bit more than it, since it's a bolt action rifle. Go to the 210 grain supersonic stuff, considerable amount more recoil. We took a shot in slow motion. First round is subsonic. As you can see, the recoil is almost nothing. Supersonic is the recoil impulse is much higher. This stuff kind of breaks the mold when it comes to traditional ballistics. The 8.6 Blackout, the energy transfer to target isn't impressive really by traditional standards. It's, I guess, at 400 or 500 yards, comparable to a decent 308 round. Maybe not even. I haven't really looked at the charts that much, but people who are traditionally thinking, oh, I want as much energy on target as possible to knock down an animal, they're like, oh, that's not impressive at all. And you pair that with the fact that it's a big, fat bullet, it's going to have a lot of drop at those kind of distances, and it does. But this bullet leaves this 12-inch barrel with a 1 in 3 twist. The bullet leaves the barrel at 500,000 revolutions per minute. So that's insane. It's like a drill bit spinning, way faster than a drill bit. So the idea of this round is not maximum energy exchange. It's actually to create a massive wound cavity because it's spinning so rapidly. They have to use either full metal jacket bullets or copper bonded bullets, because if they use the traditional lead nose or ballistic tip, at those RPMs, the bullet will actually spin itself to pieces. Super impressive little gun. Everything Q makes is super cool, super sexy looking. This thing was very accurate. Once we got it sighted in, we're shooting at pretty short distances. We shot the 5-gallon jug of water, and we shot a couple of watermelons. Surprisingly, the subsonic stuff just poked a hole straight through the watermelon. The supersonic stuff blew it to bits like you would expect. But even with a 210 grain bullet at these shorter distances, you would expect there to be a much larger kind of explosion of the watermelon, which you see with even smaller calibers like 223, 5.56. So I think that has a lot to do with that non-traditional idea of just a super fast spinning bullet out of this 8.6 Blackout round. Overall, awesome gun. Obviously, the Fix has been around for a while. This is their flagship, their only bolt action gun, but it's super accurate, super lightweight. This whole thing only weighs like 6.5 pounds, man. So you could put this in a scabbard and carry it on your back all day long. A lot of guys have taken this caliber over to Africa and done some big game hunting with it, but it's a super cool gun. Highly recommend it. Come to the Armories and check it out in person. See y'all next time.